Restore and boost your thyroid function with this simple drink. The thyroid is responsible for distributing many different hormones throughout the body. A short list of the thyroid's responsibilities includes regulating fat and carbohydrate metabolism, respiration, body temperature, brain development, cholesterol levels, the heart and nervous system, blood calcium levels, menstrual cycles, and skin integrity. With a list like that, it's easy to see why keeping your thyroid healthy is important. The most common thyroid condition is hypothyroidism, which results from an underactive thyroid. Symptoms include weight gain, fatigue, dry skin and hair, and difficulty concentrating. Hyperthyroidism is also a dangerous condition, resulting from an overactive thyroid. Symptoms include weight loss, high blood pressure, diarrhea, and a rapid heartbeat. Common treatments for hyperthyroidism includes medications, surgery, or oral radioactive iodine. It is difficult to target these treatments to the thyroid, and may cause the thyroid to secrete inadequate amounts of certain hormones, and reduce thyroid function. Here's a natural remedy that will help boost your thyroid function to a healthy level. How will this recipe help your thyroid? Cranberries are a natural food source for iodine. Thyroid hormones are made of iodine, making it vital for thyroid health. Vitamin C from the orange and lemon juice are filled with antioxidant that keep your thyroid healthy. Ginger contains magnesium, which has been shown to be a critical way of controlling thyroid disease. Cinnamon reduces inflammation to reduce risk for hypothyroidism. You should make and drink this recipe daily for maximum boosting benefits. While stimulating your thyroid gland, you're also getting a huge vitamin boost. Cranberry Thyroid Boosting Juice. Ingredients: 7 cups spring or filtered water, 1 cup 100% cranberry juice, 1/4 of a tablespoon dry ginger, half a tablespoon Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 of a tablespoon nutmeg, 3/4 of a tablespoon freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/4 of a tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. Method: heat water until almost boiling and add cranberry juice and spices. Simmer for 20 minutes and remove from heat. Once completely cooled, add orange and lemon juice. Drink entire batch in one day. For an added boost, look into increasing your intake of vitamin D, selenium, found in Brazil nuts, seafood, and fish, vitamin B12, goitrogens, found in broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, and make sure to get a lot of exercise every week. Eat well, keep moving, and enjoy your healthy living. Cleanse your intestines effectively with a simple juice recipe. Many of us suffer from digestive problems that are harmful to our health, such as constipation, cramps, irritable bowel syndrome, and more. Despite the complexity and frustration that these problems cause, the solution for you is probably in a very close and accessible place, your kitchen. A healthy diet that helps remove toxins and intestinal parasites is a very effective tool for improving the quality of life of anyone with digestive problems, and if you experience them, you should try it out. A great way to get started is by using a special, simple drink to prepare you for a thorough cleanse of your digestive system using just 4 ingredients. The 4 ingredients: apple, ginger, and lemon, with little sea salt. Each of the ingredients in this drink has important functions in cleansing the intestines, which are outlined below. Here's what each ingredient does. Apple. Apples provide the body with a very high amount of fiber, and specifically pectin fibers, which help clear the intestines when they pass through them, reduce cholesterol levels in the body, and are considered antibacterial. In addition, apples are rich in minerals that are beneficial to our body's health. And there's even a detox diet that includes eating apples almost exclusively for 5 days. Of course, this is an extreme and far-fetched diet that could cause damage to the body and is not to be used, especially considering the awesome recipe below. Ginger. In India, ginger has been used for more than 5,000 years to cure various diseases, including digestive problems. Ginger increases the secretion of digestive juices and encourages the movement of the intestines, thus helping to release the excrement from the body along with the waste and toxins present in it. In addition, a study at the University of Michigan Medical School found that ginger intake helps reduce symptoms of colitis, which is considered a precursor of colon cancer. Lemon. Lemon contains many antioxidants and a high amount of vitamin C, which is soluble in water and therefore can pass easily in the intestines and destroy free radicals and various toxins, an ability that also makes the lemon effective in preventing intestinal cancer. In addition, its atomic structure is very similar to that of the chlorine hydrogen in our digestive juices, and it encourages the liver to produce bile, a fluid required for normal digestion processes. Drinking lemon water also has health benefits. Sea salt. Although you may doubt salt as a healthy ingredient, you should first know that most of the harmful salt we consume comes from processed food, and generally, there is nothing wrong with adding a little sea salt to food unless you have a medical problem and your doctor has instructed otherwise. Sea salt can release fluid retention, and adding it to this drink gives it the ability to contribute to the process of washing toxins from the intestines out of the body. 4-ingredient juice recipe. Ingredients: ½ cup natural apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice. Blend ginger with 1 to 1½ cups water until you get a thick liquid. ½ teaspoon sea salt. ½ cup warm water. Directions: 1. Heat water in a pot until it's hot, but you can still drink it, without boiling. 2. When the water has reached the proper heat, transfer it to a cup, add sea salt and stir. 3. Add apple juice, ginger juice, and lemon juice. Drink the juice in the morning, on an empty stomach, at room temperature. Drink it again before you have a light lunch, preferably one based mostly on vegetables, and again in the evening. It is very important that you drink 6 to 8 cups of regular water during the day, which will help remove the toxins from your intestines. This simple banana juice recipe will help boost your health and detox your body. Banana juice might not be the most common fruit juice available at your local shops, but it happens to be one of the most nutritious and delicious juices in the world. Thankfully, it's extremely easy to make this tasty juice at home. Below you'll find 8 health benefits of banana juice as well as instructions on how to make it at home. 1. Maintains blood pressure. Potassium, due to its role as a vasodilator, helps to maintain blood pressure. Therefore, the high levels of potassium in a single banana, around 10% of your daily requirement, can help protect you from hypertension, as well as heart attacks, strokes, and atherosclerosis. 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. The high levels of potassium, along with the high concentration of tryptophan, make banana juice an excellent mood stabilizer, capable of reducing symptoms of stress and anxiety. 3. Improves energy levels. There are a number of different sugars in bananas, most of which the body can use immediately to start making energy. This means just one banana can give you a burst of mental and physical energy, let alone 2 to 3 bananas in a glass of this tasty juice. 4. Boosts immunity. The presence of vitamin C and various vitamin Bs means that banana juice is a great immune system booster. Ascorbic acid can lead to the production of white blood cells and can also reduce oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals. 5. Detoxifies the body. The dietary fiber for the digestive tract and vitamin B6 for managing toxicity levels makes banana juice ideal for cleansing the body. It stimulates the function of liver and kidneys, eliminating salts, toxins, and fats more rapidly. 6. Speeds up recovery. This juice is popular with athletes, as well as those who are recovering from an extensive illness or injury, as it's a great source of electrolytes, namely potassium. Without enough potassium in your body, your muscle function and development is impaired, along with your body's water balance and nervous system function. 7. Promotes sleep. Bananas aren't often praised for their tryptophan content, but this natural sedative can stimulate the release of serotonin, which helps ease the body into relaxation and sleep. A glass of this juice before bed is an excellent choice for those who suffer from insomnia. 8. Aids digestion. The high concentration of fiber found in this juice is great for digestion, as it helps stimulate peristaltic motion, increases the release of gastric juices, and improves nutrient uptake efficiency. How to make banana juice. Ingredients: 3 medium-sized bananas, 1 tablespoon honey, 1.5 cups milk, 1 pinch cinnamon, optional. Directions: 1. Peel each banana, and remove the extra fiber from the side of the fruit. 2. Slice the bananas into chunks. 3. Add the banana chunks, milk, and honey to a blender. Add 1 to 2 ice cubes, if desired. 4. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes, until it has an even and thin consistency. 5. Serve and enjoy. Side effects of banana juice. Although banana juice has many health benefits, there are some possible side effects such as gastrointestinal problems, weight gain, heart trouble, or muscle issues. However, these side effects only appear when you consume too much banana juice. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses a day should not cause any side effects for the majority of people.